overcoming and dividing demonic confederacies. I break and divide every demonic confederacy against my life in the name of Jesus. I loose confusion into every demonic confederacy directed against my life, family, and church in the name of Jesus. Divide and scatter them that are joined together against me. I bind and rebuke all demonic reinforcements sent by Satan to attack my life. Make the ruling spirits of these confederacies be like Oreb, Zeeb, Zebah, and Zalmunna. O my God, make them like the wheel, as the stubble before the wind. Persecute them with thy tempest, and make them afraid with thy storm. Let them be confounded and troubled forever. Let them be put to shame and perish. Loose confusion, and let them attack each other in the name of Jesus.